Welcome to Clover Wheels channel. In this model episode, we will unbox Ford Taunus TC3 model in 1/43 scale from IXO. Ford Taunus is the left-hand drive Ford Cortina that was a predecessor of Ford Sierra and Mondeo. TC3 was made from 1979 until 1984 as a facelift of previous model. But with some modifications, production of Taunus continued in Turkey until 1994. As this model was made during pandemic, IXO provides a face mask holder as a gift. What a relic for future. IXO have made a lot of variations of Ford Taunus with same tooling. This makes each new variation to look more worn out. Model have all necessary Ghia features of that time, such as chromed moldings, black stripes along sides, alloy wheels, and the vinyl covered roof. Despite high details of the body and interior, underneath is almost flat. Once again, it shows the age of tooling, because most of models from past had simple design of underneath. Anyway, I am happy to have this scaled down piece of history in my collection. Especially it is important if you are passionate about 80s European Fords. Hope that you liked this video. Please write in comments what generation of Cortina, Sierra or Mondeo you like most.